At number 1, we have the SawStop RT-LFT Router Lift. This heavy-duty router lift is designed for maximum stability and precision. It features a 4-post, chain-synchronized lifting system for smooth, accurate adjustments from above the table. The lift includes a positive locking mechanism to keep the router securely in place during operation. It supports multiple router sizes with adaptive reducer collars, making it suitable for a wide range of woodworking setups. With its robust construction and precise adjustment system, the RT-LFT is an excellent choice for professional-level routing applications. At number 2, we have the JessEm Router Lift II. This compact yet powerful lift is designed for 312-inch diameter router motors. It's compatible with popular routers from Porter Cable, Bosch, DeWalt, and Craftsman, making it a practical upgrade. Built with precision-machined aluminum and sealed ball bearings, it delivers smooth raising and lowering. The lift allows easy above-table height adjustment and bit changes, improving workflow efficiency. Helping woodworkers achieve professional quality results, the JessEm Router Lift II.
At number 3, we have the OSchool Router Lift system. It's designed for 312-inch diameter motors, providing excellent compatibility with many popular router models. It features a CNC machined solid aluminum insert plate for exceptional flatness and durability. The lift includes 10 leveling screws and locking cam wheels, ensuring stable mounting and eliminating gaps in the router table. With a precise height adjustment mechanism and 5 insert rings, the system allows smooth bit changes and accurate depth control, making it ideal for versatile woodworking tasks. At number 4, we have the JessEm Mast-R-Lift II 02120 Router Lift. This premium router lift system is built for professional woodworking accuracy, featuring a cam locking mechanism and double-sealed bearings for smooth operation and long-lasting durability. The hard anodized aluminum top plate provides superior strength and resistance to wear. Its adjustable clamping block system allows the lift to accommodate most popular fixed-base routers, making it a highly versatile solution. Designed for precise height adjustments and easy above-table bit changes, the Mast-R-Lift II delivers reliable performance for demanding routing applications.
At number 5, we have the Kreg PRS5000 Precision Router Lift. It delivers accurate, repeatable adjustments from above the table, with micro adjustments down to 1/64 of an inch for ultimate precision. Its hard anodized aluminum plate resists scratches and prevents sagging, ensuring long-term durability. The anti-backlash adjustment system guarantees an accurate cutting depth and consistent, professional results every time. Compatible with over 20 popular router models, it's the versatile upgrade for any professional or DIY woodworker.